Hi there, Jay here. Welcome to Eskuad University. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to download Eskuad for your Android phone. Go to Google Play Store and follow the instructions. However, Enrique will show you how to do it right now.
In this video, I'll show you how to install the Eskuad app directly onto your Android device. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Google Play Store. Once in the Play Store, in the search bar, search for Eskuad. Here, you can see all the information about Eskuad and learn more about us and about the previous updates. Then, you simply click Install. Once the app has installed, you can turn on automatic updates by clicking on the three dots in the top right. Once you click on it, make sure that the automatic updates checkbox is checked. This will ensure that your app is always up to date. Then you can open the app by clicking on Open, accept all the permissions, then you can create an account or log into your existing one. Now you can complete all your forms, view your forms history, or create new forms directly from the Eskuad app. Thank you for watching.
And that's how you download Eskuad app for your Android phone. If you like what you've seen in Eskuad University, please like us, comment, share the content, and please make sure to visit our website eskuad.com if you want to optimize the operational aspects of your business. Cheers!